This is not just a Christmas card. I want to make a few more pages to make it into a pop-up book. I will share the mechanisms in different videos. As the mechanisms are pretty complicated, involving a lot of measurements and calculations, so you have to do a dummy first. And I did it with construction paper, but as construction paper was too soft, so when I did this one, it looked okay, but when I did it with cardstock, I found that the measurements were off, and so I have to do the calculations again. So I hope my sharing of the measurements and the dimensions will help you. I will share the mechanisms in different videos. I hope you liked my sharing today. Look out for tutorials for other mechanisms. Thanks for watching. Bye.